Hi there, welcome to GFX Netic. In this video, I'm going to introduce Adobe Illustrator. The first question that comes is, what is the difference between Adobe Illustrator and Adobe Photoshop? Well, there is no such difference in Adobe Illustrator and Adobe Photoshop because these softwares are made by only one site, that is Adobe itself. So, in this video, I'm going to introduce the interface of Adobe Illustrator. So let's get started. So when you open Adobe Illustrator, you will see here one option, create new and open. It opens the recent Illustrator or vector drawings that you have created. And here you can see recent illustrators or vector drawings that you have created. And now I'm going to click to create new. And here you can see recent files that you have used. I have used A4 letter, A4 web large, and so on. And here you can see saved illustrators, and you can see here mobile presets, web, print, film and video, art and illustrations, and many more. And I'm gonna go to print and let's choose letter and let's keep its orientation landscaped. And artboards. Well, we can speak about artboards. First, let's just create it. Wait till it responds. So after that, when it comes, you can see this type of interface. So I was talking about artboards. So this all refers to your artboard. Artboard is the place where you can draw, where you can make illustrators. That's it. And you can see here your toolbars and here drop down menus and so on, and properties, menu, layers, libraries, and so on. So this was my first class. I hope you like the class. Thank you.